look, you have a card from Emmy. And there's an orange fish on it. Look at it. Wow. And do you know what's inside of it? $20. $20 for baby Catherine. Let's see what the card says. Dear sweet Catherine, happy first Halloween. Put this money in your savings since you can't have candy yet. I love you, Mom and Dad, very much and miss you too. Counting the days until I see you again. Love, Emmy. It's from your Emmy. And it has an orange fish on it. Yeah. Isn't that great? Isn't that great with the orange fish? Catherine. Catherine. Hi. Say thank you, Emmy. Thank you, Emmy, for my card.